Cough or cough? It is cough. Don't say cough. I have a cough, not a cough. Cough means ये देख रहे हैं मेरी शर्ट के ये पार्ट ये which I am holding. So ये होते हैं हमारी शर्ट के cuff. Cuffs actually दो cuffs. Alright. So ये होते हैं cuff, but cough